How to add friends on the Sendit app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see many options on your screen, but simply tap on the friends option, which is right next to the inbox option on the bottom of your screen. After tapping on it, you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply tap on the search bar and search for your friend's name or ID. Then tap on it. Then after tapping on it, you'll see a add option on the top right corner, which is right next to the search button. Then simply tap on the add button. Then after your friend accepts your invite, you and your friend both can chat on the Sendit app. And it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.